Imagine stepping onto Mars and witnessing the remnants of a long-forgotten river winding its way into an ancient lake. This isn't science fiction. It's the awe-inspiring reality captured by Perseverance. This is the Jezero Delta Panorama, a 2.5 billion pixel mosaic, stitched together from 1,118 individual frames, making it the most detailed landscape panorama ever returned from Mars. Here in Jezero Crater, billions of years ago, a river flowed into a lake, depositing sediments that now form a spectacular delta. This fan-shaped deposit not only tells the story of Mars's watery past, but also serves as one of the best places to search for potential signs of ancient microbial life. These sedimentary rocks, sculpted over eons, have already been abraded and analyzed by Perseverance, with some samples waiting for a future Mars sample return mission to bring them back to Earth for deeper study. This enhanced color view ramps up the visual contrast to accentuate the varied hues in the sediment layers, while a natural color version gives you the pure, unfiltered beauty of this ancient Martian landscape. From ancient river deltas to the potential for signs of ancient life, this panorama tells a story written in Martian rock and sediment. What do you see in these layers of time? Could these ancient sediments be the key to answering the biggest question of all? Was there ever life here?